Some dreams fly, others take root. Dear Babe.
Dear Katherine, that sounds weird to say. I'm so used to calling you Babe. You do have a beautiful name though, so it's nice to say.
I chose this card because the words really hit home for me.
I'm so excited to get to marry you tomorrow. I love you so much, and I'm already crying. And there's so many great things about you.
I have had career-related dreams ever since I was a little girl that I thought were always a pipe dream. However, your love, encouragement, and support have allowed my dreams to take root and become a reality.
To start, you're probably the hardest working woman I know. Oh my God, Sean. I'm literally gonna be in tears this whole time.
You do not know how much it means to me to be with someone who encourages me to follow my dreams and believes in everything that I do.
Thank you for always calming me down when I'm anxious. Thank you for being an amazing chef. That's not really true.
I love the life we have built together, our beautiful home that you have provided for us.
Thank you for taking care of our little boy.
And the most perfect little dog that you picked out for us.
Thank you for moving down to Virginia. Thank you for finally trying Chick-fil-A.
I am so excited for our future and the adventures that are to come.
Thank you for being an amazing, warm cuddler.
Thank you for being my biggest advocate and for always wanting the best for me.
Thank you for reminding me of the things when I forget them. And thank you for loving me for the crazy, weird person that I am.
I love you more than you know, and I am so ready to be your wife. Try not to be too nervous today, but if it makes you feel better, I'll be nervous too. See you at the altar. Love, Katherine.
Thank you for being my wife. Okay, that was a good one.
It is now my great privilege to pronounce you man and wife. Patrick, you may kiss the bride. Great joy and great honor to present to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Patrick and Katherine Button.
growing up, you know, like I said, she used to hate giving or receiving hugs. But it makes me really happy that Katherine found Pat and feels like she can give Pat a hug. Congratulations, Pat, because I don't think I've ever had Pat. You know, Katherine is a horse person. I'm a horse person on a different level, I guess. I'm not a professional horse person, but anybody who knows me that knows that our horse, Diva, is the absolute light of my life, and I love her more than anything in the whole world. So thanks, Katherine, for sharing Diva with me because she makes me so happy, and Katherine and I spend a lot of time bonding over Diva, and we love her so much. So I had to talk about Diva, obviously. So yeah, I just want to say I love you guys so much. I'm really hoping that today is the day that Katherine will give me a hug.
This is Kathy Butler, so ta-da! I'll give you a hug.
Me and my brother are very different people. I think anybody who knows us can attest to that. My brother's a great athlete. I usually get an A for effort. My brother fell 3 stories from a ski lodge, and I broke my thumb walking my dog. So, what kind of things I can say to not only my best friend, but my biggest competitor, and him winning a huge, huge W in the books of his life, meeting and marrying Kat. And I think that the one thing that will make him, obviously, an amazing husband is he will never stop until he is the best. And I know he's gonna be the best for you, for your family, for your friends. I love you guys so much together. It's really hit my heart. I'm trying to keep it. So, I told myself I wouldn't cry, and I'm gonna be Patrick by not crying.